We lived in California before moving over here. And, one of the big reasons we wanted to move was we just were a little frustrated with the educational system. My wife, she was kind of following Learnlife. When we first moved over here, she did, because she toured several schools, and Learnlife was one of them. She was just really impressed. She was, being an educator, she kind of always had this concept and idea of what an ideal school should be like. And to be perfectly honest, when she took a tour of Learnlife, she said, "Ben, this school is amazing. This is exactly the concept that she had always kind of envisioned." We really liked the play-based out here. The play-based structure. I mean, the location. It's literally on the beach. Where I'm sitting here looking at the water right now. I mean, it's just like magical. Kids shoot the shoes off. They just have so much freedom to express themselves, be who they are, and we love the model of kind of collaboration with the learning guides. There's no focus on grades and testing. It's what their interests, push them to do. It really is an unwinding of okay, we don't need to just prepare to take a test to look for a grade. That's not the goal here. The goal is to create human beings that are going to be able to function in this world and be hopefully happy and be empathetic and caring and problem solvers. And I feel like that's what they're creating here. It's not just about ridiculous memorization, translate that over to be able to take a test and move on. They're teaching these kids real life skills of how to work together, how to cooperate, how to they teach, they lead others, they learn leadership skills, they learn flexibility, adaptability, and resiliency, and I think those are the tools that are really, really what we need to be teaching our kids to be successful, not just in school, we're talking life.